Take medicine, come on. Good morning! Today is December 7 and si Holly, di ba nagpa-vaccine kami? Meron siyang sipon. Yun ang reaction sa kanya. So, painiman ko siya ng Panadol. We're gonna drink medicine, ha? Hindi ito maano. Hindi si Holly, pihikan sa no, Papa. Hindi siya, tawag nun? Hindi siya mahirap. Hindi siya mahirap painumin ng gamot. Sandali lang. Okay, baby.
Yeah, Mom.
Good girl. Thank you.
That's Zach.
That's Kuya Zach. Okay. So, kasi yung niya, ganyan siya. Minsan, pag may vaccination talaga siya, nagkakaroon siya ng sipon, pero hindi siya linalagnat. Which is
My Kuya.
normal naman yun.
My Kuya.
So, sa kanyang
My
age,
Kuya.
painumin ko siya ng 8 ml. O, baba, Are you ready?
Now, how many is that?
8.
What? How many we have?
You is more than 8. Si masarap? Ay, hindi ko makita.
What's this for, Mom?
Finish. Good girl.
What happened?
Yum. Is it yummy? Drink water. Would you more? Please, one more for Mama. Isa pa po. And isa pa po. And one more. Last. Please. One more, please. One more water. Please. Thank you. Good girl. Oh, ayan.
Mom, why should I eat some medicine?
Because she has No, kuya sa akin. Yung dalawa, wala naman silang sipon. Okay lang naman sila.
TV, Mom?
Yeah. And kanina, kasi inutusan ko si Sak na magligpit-ligpit kasi grabe, ang na ng bahay namin, ang tawag nun? Kasi lagi akong umaalis, lagi akong may ginagawa, so hindi ko na nalilinisan masyado yung bahay. So si Sak kanina, nagba-vacuum siya, pero sabi ko, ulitin ko kasi gusto ko yung talagang maglinis ngayon. Pero magtutupi rin pala ako kasi alam nyo yung tupiin ko, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ansa? Ayan, eto ang aking gagawin today. Maghapon na magtutupi. Kasi may explanation ako for the past few weeks. Etong December, napaka-busy namin. And yung mga bata, may mga sports kasi summer na dito ngayon. And ako lagi akong umaalis kasi di ba magki-Christmas and si Jan nag-birthday and may vlogmas tayo. So, kailangan ko rin yun i-edit. So, hindi ko talaga sila nabigyan ng pansin. Never ako natambakan na tupiin na ganito para na silang bulubundukin. Never talaga. Ngayon lang. So, sabi ko, hindi ako aalis ngayon. Sabi ko, bigyan ko sila ng pansin. Magtutupi tayo ngayong buong araw kasi sa dami niya. And kung maalala nyo, nung sinampay ko yan, pinanggit ko na mayroon pa akong linulog yung bedsheet. So, yun. Bago ko tutupiin, ilalagay ko muna yung bedsheet sa bed kasi tuyo na rin yun. So, yun ang aking gagawin today. Ang dami niya, Ayan pala yung Christmas tree namin. Ayan siya. And malungkot siya kasi wala pa siyang regalo sa ilalim. Eto pala yung mga pinamili ko kahapon. Yung mga sa bata na mga pangregalo ko. Tinago ko muna. So, ayan yung iba. And yung iba din, yung mga nauna namin na napamili at lalo na yung nabili ni Jan, nandun din sa shed niya. So, pag may time ako, mamaya o kaya bukas, mag-start na ako magbalot-balot ng mga regalo para naging masaya naman yung Christmas tree namin. Hoy, no, Papa! hiningal ako nung pagpalit ko ng bedsheet sa sa kwarto. Ayan, isi-set up ko lang, ano ko lang siya, iurong ko siya dito. And, manunod ako ng TFC, yung halik. Kasi matagal ko na hindi sila napapanood, so magka-catch up ako dun sa halik. So, yeah, magtupi na tayo. Andito si Sophie kasi si Jan tsaka yung parents niya nag-attend ng funeral. Kaibigan, matanda na siya, family friend daw yun. So, iniwan si Sophie sa akin. What happened? Are you alright, Soph? Are you alright? Okay. Have a rest. Galing na sila sa labas. Naglaro sila nila sa tsaka si Holly. Yeah. Stay here. Oh! Are you alright, Papa? Zach, look after your sister. Mommy's gonna fold the clothes now, okay? Have a drink. Get drink. Huwag ka dyan kasi gagay. Ayan na si Holly. Umakyat na. Gumaya na sa'yo. Look after your sister. Mommy's gonna fold the clothes, okay? Okay, and if you're gonna go outside, make sure she has her hat. Okay. And I already put sunscreen. Okay, huh? Soph, okay? I'm just in the bedroom, Sophie, I'm just in Holly's bedroom if you need something, okay? Okay. Wala siyang sunscreen. Yes. Okay, use your hands. Spread it. Come on, Sophie. Sunscreen. Huh?
Mom, my nose.
Your nose. Okay, spread it, Soph. Use your hands. Okay. Spread it. You already had one, Baba. You already had.
Mom, legs. Mom, we won't get sunburned.
That's right.
No,
Okay, spread it, Baba.
Do you know the bones hurt?
Okay, spread, Holly, lotion, sunscreen, okay? Spread it with your hand. Come on, do this. Good girl. Don't do that. Don't lick. It's yucky.
Ew.
Sophie.
That would be disgusting. Would it?
Okay, spread it, Baba.
Do you know who's a cousin?
She's a family friend. A cousin is with blood related.
No, who's a cousin?
Huh?
Who's a cousin?
Your cousins Emma and Brad. And Hunter. And Rylan.
What?
Rylan, the new baby.
She has a baby.
Yeah, okay. Be careful, ha? And don't. Hoy. Pay attention, Zach.
Yeah.
Your sister, ha?
What's the pay attention?
Listen and look after Holly.
Mom, you put her shoes on.
Where's the shoes?
Is it there?
Okay, just put. She knows how.
I don't know.
She knows.
Sometimes she puts...
Yeah, just bring it here. Bring it here. Na yung mga bata sa labas, naglalaro sa may pagola, tsaka doon sa backyard. Ligtas naman yun, ligtas. Safe naman doon. So, yan. Ako, eto, manunod na tayo ng halik. Ayan na. Ayan, manunod na ako and magtutupi. Eto munang unahin ko, etong nasa basket na to para hindi makalat. So, yan muna ang aking tutupiin. Ito na sila. Tapos sila maglaro sa labas. Pakainin ko muna sila ng eto. Kumain na sila ng lunch kanina. Yeah, this is Sophie. Dala yan ng mama ni Sophie. Dessert nila. Baba, come here. Yeah, that Sophie iPad is... Ito, mahilig to umakyat. So, wait. Okay? Wait. I'll prepare your food. Come on. Ayan si Holly. Ito na yung dessert nila. Yung tinapay na meron yan, yung mga, ayan. Ayan, kinain ni Holly. Ito yung kay Sophie and kay Zach. Tapos meron silang apple juice. Ayan yung apple juice nila. Paubos na to. Inumin ko na lang to. Here, Soph. Eat,
Holly can eat.
Yes, of course she can. Ayan na sila. Dito raw sila kakain sa kwarto ni Holly. Is it good? Good? Good. How's it, Holly? Good.
I have those shoes at home.
Huh? Yes.
Mine?
No, that's Zachary. This is yours.
No, this one's mine.
You're blue, Baba.
That was bigger. Now, what shoes you have?
Kahit sandali lang, hindi ba pwede?
What's that?
The juice is yummy.
Is it yummy? Good. Is it yummy, Holly? So, ayan pa lang yung natutupi ko. Nag-stop muna. Siguro ko rin akong makakain. Tingnan ko, ayan. Sabayan ko sila. Ito ang kakainin ko yung utap. Ayan. Kay Aling Conching. Aling Conching utap. Tapos ito yung aking apple juice. So, sabayan ko silang kumain dito. Is it good, Baba?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, kain muna kami.
Yeah.
Ayan, tapos na ako kumain. Si Zach tapos na rin and si Sophie. May sinasabi to. Ano?
Let's see who's the biggest.
Wipe your face now. Yes.
Who's the biggest? Just join it.
You, don't tippy toes.
Hey.
Siyempre, traditional natin.
Who's the biggest?
Your head?
Who's the biggest?
You, Sophie. Yes. You have to eat more vegetables to get taller. Are you done, Baba? Okay, finish? No? Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, Sophie gave it to you on your birthday.
Who's the biggest? It's the same size.
No, it's not the same, Baba. Sophie is the tallest.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, I am. I know your mom would choose me.
No, I didn't choose you, but because you are taller than Zach.
I know. Okay, but Mom. No, he's taller with the picture.
Nag-argue sila kung sino mas matangkad sa kanila.
I know. Shona,
Yes.
I can do this. I drop high and yours.
Nagpapagalingan sila kung sino mas mataas mag-jump. Ayan naman si Holly. Okay.
Look at just like it. Look at this.
No, Holly. No, Saki, because Holly is gonna copy you. No, Zach. Holly,
Don't
no.
worry. Don't be good. Be good. I
Holly?
gave you tunnel. Baba. Yeah. I'll listen. Sophie. When I'm 6, I'm older than you. I'll help you.
Okay, thank you. Bring that one, love. Okay. Ayan, tapos na silang kumain ngayon. Where are you going after?
We're going to. Who wants to play
Huh?
Chasey out there?
Labas na naman sila.
Chasey out there?
Good girl, Soph.
Hang on.
Put your hat on, Holly.
Don't be chasing me.
Okay, Zach. Zachary and Sophie.
Look after your sister.
That's right.
Look after Holly's sister.
Ayan. Tapos na silang kumain. See ya! So, ako balik na ako dun. Dala ko nitong chippy. Dun saan habang kain tayo ng chippy habang nagtutupi. And nanonood na ang halik. Ang ganda na ng halik. Ayan. So, ayan. Balik na ako sa aking mga tupi. And ayan, may snacks tayo na chippy. And tubig. Ayan, tapos ko na itong basket dito. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko naman is eto. Pero ilalagay ko muna yan sa mga cabinets para hindi na siya magulo. Dito na ulit yung mga bata. Tingnan mo si Holly. Siya na nag-ubos ng aking chippy. Hello daw, sabi ni Sophie. Hi. Ay, si Zach, inaalis niya na yung vacuum. Kasi nag-vacuum siya kanina. And, ayan. Nailagay ko na yung mga natupi kong mga damit sa cabinet. And eto na yung next kong tutupin. Eto yung kino-cover ko to sa sa couch para hindi madumihan masyado yung couch. So malalaki tong pieces na mga nilabhan ko. So yan ang tutupiin ko. So i-cover ko yung couch nito mamaya. Pero tupiin ko muna para maayos siya tingnan. Si Holly ayaw niya umalis. Baba, alis na dyan. Sabi ko magtutupi na ako eh. Go play. Play in your kitchen, please. Oy. Nagfi-fidget spinner siya dyan. Oh. Nabili namin yan sa Philippines. Saan ba yun? Sa Makati. Yung ano yun, yung mamahalin na market doon. Yung pinunta namin na ang mamahal na mga paninda. Saan ba yun? Salcedo. Yeah. Wow! What's that? Fidget spinner.
No.
Ayan, dito na sila naglalaro sa loob, oh. Naghahabulan sila ni Sa. Paano kaya pag, na pagdalagat, soltero na sila, no? Are you best friends?
Yes.
Oh.
We're just playing chasing off. Now I have to catch you.
Ano na, Baba? Alis ka na dyan. Mommy's gonna fold the clothes. Please? Please, ang dungis-dungis mo na. Oy. Alis na ikaw dyan. Please. Oh, can you sing for Mama first? Use this fidget spinner as a microphone. Hurry up. Baba. Sing for Mommy, please. Use that as a... Wow, more. How about let it go? Dalawa, oh. What else? Kiki. Okay, Kiki. No. Kiki, do you love me? Okay, please. What else? Tong Tong. Tong, hindi niya pa kasi alam. Tong Tong, pakitong, kitong, alimango, sa dagat. Ayun yung umalis sa basket. Alis ka na dyan. Please, ang dungis mo na. Oh, sing for Mama. Come on, sing. Galing sila sa labas. Tingnan mo na ang itsura mo. Para ka ng dugyot. Are you dugyot? Say dugyot. Say dugyot. Baba.
Too hot.
Say dugyot. What's that?
Too hot.
It's too hot? Wow. Let me see my baby. Ang init daw. Nagrereklamo siya. Hoy. Okay, sing for Mama, please. Another song for Mama. Baba. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa fidget spinner. Kuya TJ.
She's doing mean.
Cool?
She's
Where's Kuya TJ? Where's Kuya?
at school.
No, where's Kuya TJ?
At school.
At school. How about no, Kuya Saki is here. It's not Kindy. Baba, sing na more, sing. Daw, sabi ng people, sing ka daw. Come on, no, Mommy's gonna fold the clothes now. Come on. Hoy. Anong wait? Wait daw, Hurry up. You're gonna... Careful.
China,
Yes?
can I count? Because I can't learn my ABC.
Okay,
1,
count.
2,
Nag-hide and seek sila ni Sak.
5, 6, 11,
Ba-
12.
5, no, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ano na, Baba? Don't eat. Yucky. Ew.
Holly, can you help me find it?
Okay, find Sak. Come on, dali.
And
Ano na? Come on, hindi na siya makalabas. Find Zachary. Come on, find Kuya Zach. Hurry up. Ay, salamat. Ay, makapagtupi na tayo. Ay, doctor, tingnan mo to, May doctor tayo dito, at saka chef. Oy, what are you doing? Oy, say hi.
Sophie.
You're playing with Sophie. Yes.
And Zach.
And Zach. Ay, naglalaro na silang luto-lutuan.
That's junk food. I didn't say junk food. Chico didn't get me. I said good to food.
There's grapes and bananas and melon. Or what's this? Honeydew. That's a French fries and burger. Si Holly. Hi, Holly. What are you doing, Baba? Are you a doctor or a chef? Meron siyang stethoscope dito. Let me see your stethoscope, Baba. Ayan, doktor-doktoran siya. Wow! Are you playing with who, Holly? Ayan si Sophie. Ayan, nagluluto-lutuan na naman sila dito sa kitchen naman. So, ayan. Luto-luto naman sila dito sa kitchen.
Look at that.
What's that,
I
love?
can physicize you. That.
Wow! Magkakalat na naman sila. Di pa nga tayo tapos magtupi. Say hi, Say hi. Say hi, Baba. Ah, that's for Sat.
Because it's sick. But that's for Channing is sick.
And this one, who's this one? That one.
That's Sophie.
Oh, this is Sophie's plate and this is Sak's plate. Poor
Why
Sak.
did she give me a lot of stuff?
I know,
I
right?
cannot eat all of that stuff.
I know. Okay, balik na ako sa pagtutupi. Ha?
I'm here.
What? Tinatawag niya ako. What, Holly?
Here.
What? What is it?
Bye.
Ha?
Dad.
Check natin yung mga bata sa labas. Ayan sila. Naglalaro sila ng bubbles. Oh. Gusto niya rin. Oh, look at Baba, oh! Galit siya, oh. Let her have a turn, Kuya Sak. Wow! Baba, put your hat. Put your hat on, Baba. It's hot. Dari. Yes. Are you going inside? Oh, look at Kuya Saki, oh. Wow! Look. Look. Blow. Way! Yay! And can Sophie have a turn, Sak, please? Blow, Soph, blow. Oh, blow, Holly. Oops, you don't have to. Wow! So, dito lang sila naglalaro habang nagtutupi ako dun sa kwarto ni Holly.
I can't wait it.
So, ayan, chinek ko lang sila. Okay, Kuya Sak, watch your sister, okay? Hoy. Kuya Saki. Sak, you watch your sister, okay? You watch your sister, okay? Saka, you watch your sister. I'm going back inside. Okay, Holly? Okay. Not too quick because you're gonna break the bubbles. Oh, sus. Wow. Here, Kuya Sak. You have to go there in the middle. Okay, blow, Baba. Oh, where's the bubbles, Baba? Mommy's going inside now, okay? Okay, see ya. Pasok na ulit ako. So yun, chinek ko lang yung mga bata sa labas. Kung anong ginagawa nila yun. Naglalaro lang sila ng bubbles. And ayan, umpisahan ko na ito para matapos na ako. Kasi meron pa ako dun sa cot. So magtupi na ulit tayo. Grabe, napaka-intense ng halik. Yung pinapanood ko is yung nagkakalat yung sex scandal ni Jay tsaka ni Ace. Galit na galit si Lino.
Wala ka naman nagagawa sa samahan namin sa pag minay-tulong ka ba?
Wait lang. Kawawang-kawawa si Lino. Pero nakakaawa rin si Jade na nakakaasar. Yes, so... Yeah, stay inside now, ha? Ang init na sa labas kasi. Andito na naman sila. Oh.
Yeah, we're going to have something to read. That's my food. No, that's mine. No, mine. Holly, is that mine or Sophie's?
Ano?
You have to eat this.
Ayun, tapos na yung intense na eksena ni Lino at saka ni Jade, yung confrontation about sa scandal. So, yan. Ayan, tapos ko na palang tupin itong mga puti at saka ito yung sa couch. Tapos ito, dati, linalagay namin to sa yung pagbili ng car, yung bagong car, nilagay namin to temporarily para sa, ano ba, dun sa upuan ng mga bata, yung linalagyan ng car seat kasi nagkakaroon siya ng mark. So, linagay namin to. Ngayon, nag-order si Jan ng pang cover. So, inalis na namin. So, malinis siyang tingnan. So, ayan. Nasabi ko lang, na-share ko lang. Wala kasi, alam mo yung content ng vlog ngayon. Nagtutupi lang ako. Tapos, yung naglalaro yung mga bata. Wala masyadong ganap kasi nga, kinakatch up ko yung mga tupiin ko dito. And, ayan, nanonood ng halik. Nagka-catch up din ako sa halik. Alam ko, luma na yung napapanood ko kasi ano na, December 7 na. Ang pinapanood ko is November 15. So, mahaba-haba pa yung episode na papanoorin ko. So, yun. So, ilalagay ko lang muna to sa cabinet. And eto, isi-set aside ko kasi ilalagay ko yan sa couch. Iko-cover ko to sa couch. And, ayun na yung next. Malapit na ako matapos sa mga tupiin ko. So, yan. Ba? Huh? You want Biki? Gusto niyo ng Biki? Do you want Biki soft? Biscuits. You want biscuits?
No.
What do you want?
No, Sophie.
No, for Sophie. Okay, okay. What do you want? Come on.